Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Zhiyun Smooth Q4, a cell phone gimbal. So let's get into it. Bam, let's see what's in it. Alright, don't need that. Here's the goods. Kind of surprised it's a small package as it is. Photos. Shows what it includes right here. Alright, looks pretty neat. Now, let's break into this bad boy. Get in. We have, before we get into the actual goods, let's see what they have. A button description of the layout, what buttons do what, and pretty much how to turn it on and set it up. It's pretty neat, quick and easy it seems like. Get this out. Anything else in here? Oh, yep, one more piece of paper. What is this? Alright, service card. Cool. Don't really care. And here's the actual case. It has some, I'm assuming, Chinese lettering. Don't really know what that means, but it's fine. This wrist strap. Zhiyun. Pretty tough zipper. Like that in the case. Alright, cool. Let's first get into what's up in this smaller zipper here. Wrist strap, a charging cable, magnet light that can attach to the gimbal, and then different color diffusers for it. This here is how to get a 1-year membership with Zhiyun. And here, so a booklet. It's just the instruction manual with the many different languages it has here. Pretty thick. I probably won't even touch it. Unless something really goes wrong. We continue into the bottom. We have the tripod portion of the gimbal. Plastic is sturdy, rigid, but very light. Some might consider it cheap, but if it's light, that means you'll actually bring it with you. Then the actual gimbal itself. I do wish these were Velcro. It's easier to get in and out and put it back in instead of these rubber here. That's fine. Little pieces of foam. And then the actual gimbal itself. The joystick doesn't feel too bad. I know there was concerns in the past about the older versions. The joystick felt really cheap. A record button, a mode button. I'm assuming this is a zooming button or focus button. Charger, another button on the back, and the power button itself, which is not charged. And then the screw mount for this here. After setting up the gimbal and initially using it very quickly, it seems like it's going to do the job. I mean, for the price and for the needs of it, it seems like it's going to work perfectly fine, and it feels well constructed. It feels like it'll last. So those are just some initial thoughts. If you have any questions, comments, anything, please let me know in the comments below. Please leave a like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time.